Hey guys, good morning. It's a lovely Friday. Why is it not focused? It's focused now. It's a lovely Friday morning and the sky looks amazing. And Kawa and I are just going to get up food for the morning and we're going to do part 2 of the phones, I believe. Hey guys. Hey Kawa. You seem busy at work. Yeah. Yeah, you're waiting for the vlogs, aren't you? No? Why not? Good morning, Chamara. Chamara Malavani, no? Me, I'm gonna take a seat over here. Okay, so Ruka.
Yes, madam.
Today is part 2 of our phones. Okay?
Okay.
Right? So, ඔබතුමාගාව තියෙන ෆෝන් එක මොකක්ද සර්?
මම ළඟ iPhone 7 එකක් තමයි තියෙන්නේ.
My gosh.
දැන් ටිකක් දවස් කියන්නේ නැහැ. පරණයි ෆෝන් එක. ඉතින් හොඳයි මම මේක පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ දිගට මොකද හොඳ ෆෝන් එකක්. ඇත්තට.
හොඳ ෆෝන් එකක් iPhone එක?
අනිවාර්යෙන්.
Sorry. ඔයාගේ ආසම ෆීචර් එක මොකක්ද මේක? ෆේවරිට් ෆීචර් එක?
මේකේ ඇත්තටම මම වැඩිපුරම කැමතිද මේ කැමරා එක.
කැමරා එක?
ඔව් වැඩිපුරම මේක මම යූස් කරනවා. මට මේක ඉතින් වෙන ස්පෙෂල්ම දෙයක් නැහැ. ඒත් මම මේක කැමරාවට තමයි ගොඩක් කැමති.
හරි. හරි. මුදි? Hi. ඔයා යූස් කරන ෆෝන් එක මොකක්ද?
T9
Okay. And ඔයාගේ ෆේවරිට්ම ෆීචර් එක මොකක්ද? ෆෝන් එක පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න පුළුවන්? Wait, it's the wrong way. So, ඔයාගේ ෆේවරිට්ම ෆීචර් එක මොකක්ද?
ක්වික් කියන්නේ වේක් අප් වෙලාම මේ ස්ක්‍රීන් එක ලොග් වෙන්න පුළුවන් මාර ක්වික් මේ ෆින්ගර් ප්‍රින්ට් එකක් තියෙනවා.
හරි.
මේ කැමරා එක
Okay.
හොඳ ප්‍රොසෙසින් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඩුවල් කැමරා එකක්.
හරි.
ඉන්නවා මේ
කැමරා එක තමයි. කැමරා එකයි quick response එක. Hello, Chamara. What's the phone you use? iPhone 7 Plus. Ruka has an iPhone 7 and you have the Plus of it. Okay. What's the plus feature on this phone that the iPhone 7 doesn't have?
like it's bigger.
Right, that's what she said. Okay. Sorry. Alright, back to it. We were a little bit interrupted, I know. But okay, so what's your favorite feature of this phone?
The camera.
The Why is everyone saying the camera? What are y'all? Photographers? No?
Yeah.
Y'all are photographers?
No.
Why are you saying the camera is the best part of it?
Like you know, the camera is just good.
Okay.
For me.
Okay, so you love taking pictures, but you're not a photographer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey Ria, good morning.
morning, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good.
All right. What's the phone you use?
Use S7 normal, not the H version.
Okay. And what's your favorite feature about it?
Couple of favorites, and lot of some hates and some likes. So mainly I like the camera,
Okay.
mainly because of the manual feature on it.
All right.
The display, it has a 2K resolution.
Resolution display. Yeah.
Yeah, battery sucks the white tools.
Okay. Okay. That any phone will have, right? When it's old. All right. But you said you hated some other features. What are those?
Crash here and there.
Oh, really? Okay.
I have a lot of apps.
All right.
But yeah, I really love the camera. I think these guys have done a really cool job with it.
Good job on it. All right. Hey, Shabir. Can I catch you today for the phone vlog? Pull on? All right. I'm gonna take a seat. පිමේ තමයි. අපි තැම්පත් මිනිස්සු ළමයි මොකක්ද කියන්නේ? So, what's the phone you use, Shabir? Shabir, phones. I'm here, bro.
Pixel 128.
Sorry?
Pixel XL.
XL. Okay. What's your favorite feature about the phone?
Display එකයි මේ processor එක.
Processor. That's the first time. අද තමයි අපි first එකට processor ගැන ඇහුවේ. අයි processor කිව්වේ?
processor එක තියෙන මේ performance වැඩි. Snapdragon 821 එකක් තියෙන්නේ. අනිත් එක මේ දැනට එන processor එකට වඩා සාමාන්‍ය හොඳම processor එක.
හරි. Battery life එක කීයක් වගේද?
Battery life හොඳයි. මම කොහොමත් 6 hours screen on time එකක් ගන්නවා මේ phone එකෙන්. මේ වෙඩ් ඕ usage එක මගේ WhatsApp එකයි මේ Instagram තමයි වැඩිම.
Hey guys, so that's the end of our vlog for today, and I hope you guys. Shamra is playing Overwatch. If you're wondering what he's doing, yeah. So that's the end of our vlog for today, and we've covered most of the phones rather of Redline. I thought you. And that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and we'll be doing another episode next week on the watches we have and the watches we wear. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on Monday. I hope you all have a good weekend and an epic Friday. You want to say anything?
Bye.
See you guys.